I knew exactly what I was doing. I thought it was who can get the closest without hitting. I thought it was like chicken.
Oh, let me like to be on it. Who would like it? Why are you pulling that way? I don't know what's going on.
Get over there.
Get a piece of this action.
Get in on this, Lewis.
I worked out.
Oh, yeah. A little more. Come on. Let's let back into it. What do you guys do for stop or not? You guys remember? Thumb knot. Do the thumb knot. Wow. You got it.
Got it.
Ah. Bada boom, bada bing.
I didn't count. I heard you.
Wind goes, shield our jib sheet.
Feel it.
It's not going anywhere.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Alright.
Well, I want to see what's going on.
Yep. That's right. We're on a starboard tack, or a port tack. So we're coming over our port bow.
We're still going this way.
Okay, what's gonna happen is we're gonna get close hauled. So now the wind's coming at us like this. You'll see as I start turning in, you'll hear the sails start to bluff, and that means we're in the no sails zone. So you guys see outside of the same time though, right? No, that's tacking. Sorry.
I was like, why
Away
we
from
go
the
this way? I don't know what's going on.
All right. So bring this across.
What are you talking about?
Keep going. Keep turning.
You have to pull it on your
That's what I'm doing. All right, we're gonna let this across. Somewhat controlled. All right. Overshot it. It's okay. So it's okay. We're good.
We did it.
We'll just keep it on this back. You guys just jibed. Pretty uneventful.
Good job. Good job. Good job. All right, everybody. Good job. Grab a beer.
All right, now it looks like we're going fast.
Oh yeah. That's right. Perfect. Everybody who watches this.
Yeah, gotcha.
Overboard drills.
Where are the water balloons
Man
at?
overboard drills.
nose goes.
Man the torpedoes. Ruby. Is it cold? Hell yeah, it's cold. I can't breathe, it's so cold.
Thank you for the amazing confidence boost. I appreciate it.
Wow.
Alright, so tell me when I hit this sign.
Don't hit the
Fine.
What are you doing? The opposite way! Okay, there you go, there you go. Hey, you're like, turn that way. What the hell are you doing? Oh, you're good, you're good. Woo! The F is your problem.
Go last. Port. Which one are we going to?
Can we get a different driver? We installed the radio. Are you just enjoying the
Get that over there. What's going on here?
It's a two-man job, obviously. He's got white stuff all over him. Come on, man. God knows what he's doing. We're gonna lose this race because you three. Somebody didn't explain to me where the hell we were going.
Prepare to be attacked.
They have donuts.
Hey, what they say? What they say?
Right here.
Come on.
Commandeer.
Get up.
Grab their sail and dismantle it.
That's a 10 door.
So good, man. I think they're gonna cry.
Oh, we're turning now, okay? That was on me!
You guys capsized yet?
Nope. I think so.
Alright. One forward, so the boat will come down too.
Oh, that sounds awesome, thank you. Ready? Don't lose your glasses.
Go to the other side.
Me? Go hold this, hold this. Okay. Whoa, 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 now, now! Yeah. Coach, can you hear me? You're okay.
Almost lost you today.
Hey, it's gonna be slow, so just grab the very top and lean back and it'll pop up. Soldier, if you can, try pushing up on the high side of the boat.
Push up in the high side.
There's sunlight coming through. Right now, swim around the outside over to where he is. Now you guys got back laying on its side. One of you swim around to the other side.
He's gonna swim around.
You sure?
Oh,
Got it? You got it? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Jump up so you're standing on top. Yeah, put all your weight up. Put it up. Swim over there. If you can't hold it.
Bounce out of the water a little bit, that should get enough for it to start right in itself. Alright, and then once you get in there, just put an arm into it. Someone support the boat while the other one climbs in.
You can't pull yourself up onto it. There you go. Nice.
Watch out. Where's the pin? Pin. How does the pin go? I don't quite remember how the pin goes.
It should be a hole on the top or the bottom peg.
Alright, got it?
Yep.
Can you get it? 1, 2, and
Alright.
no problem.
Thank you, petty officer. Sing.
You ready?
Yeah.
I gotta be on this end. That was fun.
Have you ever worn a suit while you were sailing, petty
I
officer?
could freeze frame that with the picture. There you go.
In your face. You're welcome.
Champagne, suits.
Catch a fresh lobster. Start a fire right here. And cook it.
Santana champagne though.
Look, you're already in a suit, okay? Stranger things can happen.
You catch a lobster in the lake.
You see a mermaid, she just comes up.
Here, have it.
A tear of a mermaid brings you back to life or something.
What?